Hello, good morning. Today is Saturday on the 4th of October. We're going out and I'm going to take you with us. I did a makeup tutorial, that's why I'm wearing makeup. This is too cold today. Look, I'm wearing my jacket. Ooh! And my son is my husband is putting the jacket of my son as well. I'm wearing now the dress that I got from the car boot, the £1. See you later. Hello. We're going on a boat. Oh, my camera is wet. We're going to Gosport Ferry Terminal. I'm going to put this in YouTube.
In YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Hi.
That's the water. No, that's the boat, look. Oh, you can't see. It's quite... So yeah, we're going on a ferry today. I'll take you with us so you can see. That's the boat. We need to run. Daddy, mami, ito pa siya po siya. Kami, anak ko. Come on, anak. Here's the boat. We're going in now. Come on, anak. Come on, anak. Well done. Where are we going to sit? Knock, here. It's raining. We can't go on the outside one. Hold mommy's hand. Darling. Look. We're gonna show them the boat. Where are we going, Papa? That's a Spinnaker Tower. Daddy? Going now. The boat is moving now. I can't show you properly because we are here inside because it's raining. So yeah, on the summertime we used to go we used to sit at the outside. Anak, are you happy?
Yeah.
Good boy. Mama has to clean your nose. My son likes going on a boat and on a train. So we always make sure we're taking him. If me and my husband are day off, we always make sure we take him on a boat or train or we take him out. That's the tower. It's Spinnaker Tower and that's another boat. We're here. We're nearly here now. That's where we're going. Huh? How do you pronounce that tower?
Spinnaker.
Spinnaker. That's another boat there. And that's another boat in there. And that's another boat. Show you the pirate ship. Looking at the pirate ship. What's that all about? Cannons. That's the woods. Guys, I hope you're enjoying my vlog. I hope you don't get bored. And I'm wearing my hood. That's the driver of the boat. That's the boat we went on. So yeah, and that's the pirate ship. Little boats. They're both dad of my husband. They call this building a lipstick building. We're going to Garnwharf Quay. When I was new here in the UK, I used to pronounce the key quays, but it should be pronounced key. See ya! It's still the tower is there. You can see cancer outlet, bowling place, Blackberry shop in there. And that's Adidas. It's too many people again. Oh my goodness. Viners. That's an Oakley shop. And there's a Gap in there. I don't know if you could see Gap. Ted Baker. And the Body Shop again there. Sorry guys, we're in a rush because our parking is not long. That's a Body Shop. And Dr. Martens. There's a bench. Bose. HMV. Me and my husband are going there later on to get Christian songs, a CD for our car. And that's a Lacoste. They in the middle, yeah. That's the tower, look. We are just right in front of it. And it's called, my husband pronounced it, Spinaka Tower. Spinaker. Oh, my husband. And we're going to Subway.
Italian BMT.
Yeah, yes please, Daddy.
Can I have a 6-inch Italian BMT or Italian, please? Right, please. Can I also have...
Hello, we're waiting for my husband. So we're sat in front of Spinaka Tower, and you can see the sea there. The water man is playing with his trains. Nak, it's cold now, isn't it? It's cold, brr. Is it brr? Ooh, it's autumn, yeah? Yeah, later on, anak. Wow, that's our sandwiches. Wow, there's a bag. Thank you, Daddy, for the food. That's my husband's. That's mine. This is Gabriel's. And that's your meatballs. We say sorry to Daddy now. Good boy. Okay then. We finished most of our food. Only Gabriel left eating his meatballs. So yeah, all gone. Only Gabriel left eating meatballs. This is a free bag from
Free.
oh, it's in a fray, including with the meal, the kids meal. It's scary, this picture. Oh, it's Star Wars. Hello, we're here now on the DVD. Me and my husband are going to buy a Christian music, Christian DVD. This is the one from the car booth, and I'm wearing my jacket. I'm getting this one, £9.99, and it's Hillsong Live. So we got here At the Cross, Hallelujah, Mighty to Save, and lots more. So yeah, my son is wearing the bag now that he got from the subway, and he did put his trains in it. Nak, show mommy. We will show them. Look, you did put all your trains in it, yeah? Oh, he's so funny. Nak, come here now. Are you wearing a bag?
Any change?
Thank you.
Thank you. And your receipt is in there for you as well.
Thank you.
You too. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye bye.
That's a Nike factory. I'm coming today. And that's a Lind chocolate shop. We are here at the Lind shop. What, Daddy? You can get him this one, the bear. Yeah, it's up to you, Daddy, what you want to get for this one, Daddy. Oh, small ones. 259.
You want this one?
Loads of Lind chocolate.
You want this one or you want to pick your own? You want this one?
We're on the way back now to the boat and to go back to the car. See ya! Oh my goodness, it's going!
Cheers.
Gabriel!
Don't go first, you're going to get wet. You sit down here.
Okay, Daddy. Papa, Gabriel's getting wet. Hello, we are here on the boat now and we're going back to the car. My battery is draining soon, so I'm so sorry guys, I will not be able to continue filming, but anyway, I will see you. That's my husband and my son. They're looking. That's a boat. And that's another boat. Ferry. There's another one in there.